Hello, I'm Richard from Aquaquality Pools and Spas. Tomcat pool cleaner replacement parts is what we manufacture. We are now looking to test a pool cleaner pump motor. We basically epoxied off and capped off the end so no water enters into the plug end. We took a cartridge filter, hooked it up to a pressure test manifold which connects from water pressure from a hose through a shutoff valve, the input pressure gauge, and we are going to put this under water pressure for 24 hours to see if the seals will hold water pressure. 1 foot of head of water pressure equals 0.433 psi. So at 9 feet you're at about 3.9 psi, and so on down the list to 15 pounds at 6.5 psi. Down to 20 feet would be 8.66 psi. We're trying to hold this pump motor under pressure at about 7 psi at the lower gauge. So the tank is now filled with water. We took out the filter cartridge and we're going to just basically leave this in overnight. There it goes. And down it goes almost all the way to the bottom. Okay. Okay, turn on the water. Bleed out some of the air. There it is, it's full, and off it goes. And we'll see what the pressure comes up to. A little more pressure in. Get it up slowly. There we go. That should do it. It is now at about 8 psi at the bottom of the tank. And let me let out some more air. Six psi at the top of the tank. So at 7 psi at the bottom of the tank, which would be at about a little over 16 feet of water. That seems to be more than enough. We're now going to leave that for 24 hours and see tomorrow when we pull out the motor if water has entered into the motor housing.